Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows Longhorn build 4001. Yep, it's taking us forever, but hey, we're going to check it out. And I'm skipping 3718 because it's a boring build and nothing changes. Okay, some things do change, but most of it does not change. So we're going to start by clicking create a new virtual machine, and we're not going to do typical, we're going to choose custom, because I read in Beta Wiki that you have to choose custom. Speaking of Beta Wiki, let me open up the Beta Wiki page for this. Oh, and by the way, this was the first Milestone 4 build of Windows Longhorn that was leaked. The first actual Milestone 4 build of Windows Longhorn is Windows Longhorn build 4000. However, that's not leaked, but it could be leaked in the future, so yeah, who knows what could happen. Anyways, this build was compiled on December 4th, 2002, and the time bomb is on November 3rd, 2003. I think so. No, wait, no. The time bomb is November 30th, 2003. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's click create a new virtual machine, custom, next. And the version of VMware is VMware Workstation 9. So we're going to go here and we're going to go pick 9, because yes. Then we're going to click next, next. This should be normal 64-bit. This should not be 64-bit edition, but it should be Windows XP Professional. Next. And we're going to call this Windows Longhorn build 4001. There we go. And the only reason we know that 4000 exists is because of, in the screen for 4001, if you try to upgrade, it'll say, in order to upgrade to this build of Longhorn, you need to be running at least build 4000, which is not leaked yet. So you can't upgrade to this build yet because 4000 isn't leaked yet. Alright, let's give it about 2 gigs of RAM. So no, not half of my RAM. Alright, let's just give it 2 gigs of RAM. Because yeah, click next. Let's not even give and it's just not using internet connection, and click next. Sure. Create a new virtual disk. 20. We'll give it 27 gigs. We'll store it as a single file. Next, and finish. So now we're going to be booting the virtual machine to set the date. So let's start the virtual machine. And we're going to press F2. And there we go. So now we're going to change the date to, let's see here. Let's change it to let's just change it to June of 2002. Oh wait, no, that won't work. Let's change it to December 4th. No, actually December 7th, 2002. So let's keep on going back. And there we go. December 7th, 2002. Let's put the CD drive at the top. Exit saving changes. Yes. And we're actually going to be... Oh. Wait, what? Okay, so we're going to actually be doing CD-ROM drive. Oh, wait, there's nothing in the CD-ROM drive. Okay. Let's put something in the CD drive. Yeah, let's actually put something in the CD drive. Let's put 4001. I've got 4002 downloaded. So yeah. Alright, let's reboot the VM. And now it will. Oh, there we go. Starting Windows setup. Because this is the first version of Windows ever to have a pre-installation environment, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, the pre-installation environment was introduced in, Windows Vista. And this is the first build that includes it. So let's see. So now we're just on a please wait screen. So we'll wait a while and more. This is getting quite awkward. I normally would have cut this out, but whatever. So Yeah, I'll be right back after it's done. Yay. Alright, so we've got a Windows XP boot screen, and it's copyright 2003, even though this build was made in 2002. But it makes sense because it was made in December 2002, so it was almost 2003. There we go. We've got a mouse cursor. Well, no, we haven't. Well, we got a blue screen at least. I mean, that's something, right? There we go. Now we got a mouse cursor, and we've got the Windows Longhorn. This shows the new Windows Longhorn logo. And yeah, it looks pretty nice. Ooh, the screen resolution got bigger, so that's pretty cool. And it says copyright 1985 to 2002. Now it says 2002. The boot screen said 2003. And then it says Microsoft, and now it's telling us to wait some more. So I'll be back after it's. Oh wait, what? So I'll be back after it's done with that. So I'll see you then. Alright, so now it says welcome to Windows Setup. We need to ask you a few questions before you can start setup. Let's click next. And then we can accept the license agreement by scrolling down all the way and clicking I accept. Then we click next. And I'll have to enter the product key, so I'll be right back. Product key entered, and now we're in the disk selection screen. And it will now ask where do you want to install Windows. Let's click next. Oh wait, we gotta check this. Click next. This is a 27 gig drive. Oh, wait. What? I'll be right back after I figure out a solution. Well, it looks like we have the same problem as we did with this build. If you guys don't know this build, I covered it. The video is still not out yet, but I covered it. So this is build 5259.3, and you can format it using the installer. So you had two options. You could use disk part, or you could use a different operating system. So what are we gonna do? Um, we're gonna just do this. So make sure you have a version of Windows that will actually be able to do this. So, for example, let's put in Windows. Um, hmm, what should we put? There's not a lot of options here. Hmm. Let's put Windows 7. Let's click OK. And let's reboot. And now we're going to be loading into the Windows 7 setup, but we won't be installing it. And you might be wondering, why aren't we installing it? Well, first of all, this is a Longhorn video. And second of all, this is a 32-bit based system, so we won't be able to install it either way. But anyways, let's continue. And we can wait while Windows is loading all of its files, which is going to take a while because this is 32-bit. It might actually crash. So I'll be right back after I switch it to 64-bit, because of course I would forget to do that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and I changed it, but I don't know what's happening. It's still slow. So you know what that means, don't you guys? It means a time lapse. Let's go. Alright, so you might be wondering, why did I do this? Well, we're not installing it. I just created a new partition. So we're not going to be... So then we go to this one, the biggest one, and then we click on the button that we all see. Format. And then we click OK. And then we wait a bit. And then we go. It's formatted. Then we go back to VM, removable devices, CD, settings. And we go to browse and put back in the 4001 ISO. Then what we want to do is we want to press Control Alt, Control R. I said Control Alt, Control R. There we go. Now we're going to reboot from the Windows pre-installation environment. Now I'll ask you, because we just formatted it using the NTFS file system, except there's nothing on there, so you won't be able to boot off of it. So now, I'll be right back once it gets to the disk selection screen. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so now we're going to click on NTFS file system, and do not check this, it might break it. So let's click next. And there we go. It's actually going to work now. So, I think you know what this means. I'm going to do a time lapse. So, yeah. Alright, guys, so, I think we did it. I think we, Alright, so I think it restarted. I don't know. I was on a different computer when this happened, but I think it restarted. So the screen is also flickering. What just happened? Oh, there we go. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Please type a name. Let's type the name. Let's call it Rootwick. You know, just simple Rootwick. Thank you for answering the questions. Let's click finish. And is this kind of like an out of box? Oh, Windows is starting up. Welcome. Yo, this was actually a pretty fast installation then. Wow, it was actually not that bad. It was actually pretty fast. Alright, so now we're gonna wait here, I guess. Okay, so it thinks it's December 7th, 2004. I mean 2002. Even though it's actually April 20th when I'm recording this. April 20th, 2024. Oh, and look, we still have the rounded corners, and this thing. And now it's gonna go through the found new hardware. Install recommended. Oh, great. Now it's just going to have to install all the drivers automatically. No, do not connect to the internet. Don't prompt me to install the software. Oh my gosh, bro. No, don't connect to the internet. Cannot install. No, I do not want to connect to the internet. You know what? Let's try to get VMware tools, shall we? Let's try to get VMware tools. I mean, come on. So let's go to VM. Install VMware tools. There we go. No, no, no. Let's go to my computer and let's try to install. Oh, there we go. I already started. Preparing VMware Tools installation. And as you can see, the progress bar is blue now. Setup was unable to upgrade the Windows installer. So let's try VMware Tools 10. Cause yeah, why not? So let's try VMware Tools version 10. Click browse. VMware Tools 10. We're just trying this at this point. No, I don't want to install a build again. Okay, let's refresh. And it's launching again. So yeah, let's hope that VMware Tools 10 works. So the progress bar is still blue. And we got the same error. Setup was unable to upgrade the Windows installer. Now let's see what. Oh, we got the 14 days left for activation. And let's check out some of the new features. Anyways, let's check out the. So Windows Explorer is kind of a mess right now. It does not look like it at all. Anyways, the sidebar is here, like I saw on the last build. And let's click start and let's open up Windows Messenger. Okay, whatever. Okay, Windows Messenger actually loads. Let's create a new text document as well. Let's create a new text document. We'll call it Longhorn. And we'll type in, this is Windows Longhorn build 4001. Click yes to save changes. Let's open it. Let's get control panel going. Did they change? Okay, control panel looks a lot different. It kind of looks like the classic control panel. Let's go to a thing. So this just shows the date and time properties. Um, let's see if we can get a better. Oh, so we have the Plex theme. We have another. Oh wait, this is a Luna theme. We've got another Plex theme. I think this is the newer Plex theme. We've got Windows Classic, which as well Windows Classic. We've got all the Windows XP wallpapers, along with Bliss, Azul, Autumn, all of them. Red Moon Desert as well. Let's put it on this, cause yeah, why not? Okay, so we got an error here, and wait, what? Oh my gosh, yeah, welcome back to the early guys. So this is so super great, yeah. This is gorgeous. Let's click OK. Oh my, that was so funny. Anyways, we can go into sounds. There's no audio device, so I guess the audio drivers aren't here. Let's close this, and the wallpaper actually did change. So let's click start again, and let's see printers and printers. Okay, whatever. That was dumb. Why did I open that? Anyways, as you can see, my documents. We've got the folder. We've got my documents, my music, my pictures, my computer, my network. Yeah, we just got all of this stuff. And let's check out the login screen again. So let's log off, click switch user. Okay, so it just looks like the Longhorn one. Let's go back in. And let's also, what else can we look? What else can we look at? Let's go to all programs. Activating Windows. Does activating Windows work or does it just crash? Oh, this is Windows XP. Okay, that's just a Windows XP. I thought it was gonna be different. Oh, we still have the games. Yo. Okay. So we still have the games in here. I'm pretty sure we know what that means. Okay, no, we don't. Wait, wait. Oh, there we go. 3D Pinball is installed. I'm pretty sure they got rid of this in Windows Vista or 7. I don't know which one they got rid. So yeah, 3D Pinball works. I'm not going to really play it because I have no idea how to play 3D Pinball. And I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? I'm gonna just tilt. What am I doing? And I lost, I guess. Okay, anyways, let's just close this. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. It helps a lot. And also, this is one of the last videos about OS builds I'm gonna do because I'm working on another video which is gonna be scripted. It's like a retrospective video. No hint. Well, okay, I'll give you a hint. Here's a hint. It's about Windows 8. So yeah. Anyways, we're going to be, and you probably saw the ISO inside of my ISOs folder. So you already. So anyways, that's the end of this video. And also, the next build is going to be the Windows 7 build, and it's actually been leaked on April 7th, 2024. So that's gonna be pretty interesting to check out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. And for now, goodbye. Wait, no, wait. We gotta do one more thing though. We've gotta run WinVer. That's the most important thing. So as you can see, WinVer 4001. Oh, the version number is 6.0 now. Anyways, um. Now, that's the end. Now that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.